So let's recall that x less than y means x is to the left of y. X greater than y means x is to the right of y. And let's recall from last time that it is valid to add the same number to both sides, subtract the same number from both sides, whether positive or negative. Okay, and then it is also valid to multiply or divide by a positive on both sides of an inequality, and none of these actions will change the direction of the inequality symbol. So the words here, the direction of the inequality symbol remains. It is also valid to multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, but when you do that, that's when the direction of the inequality symbol changes. So I want to really clarify what's going on here with these next two examples. So as a first example, 4x plus 1 less than or equal to negative 11, we can subtract 1 on both sides and we'll have 4x is less than or equal to negative 12. Now what we need to do is divide both sides by 4. So we'll end up with x is less than or equal to negative 3. Here's a picture. Filled in dot at negative 3 and shade to the left. In interval notation, we'd have parenthesis negative infinity comma negative 3 bracket. So we're done with the problem. We've provided an answer in algebraic notation, on a number line, and also in interval notation. The comment that I'd like to make just to make sure is the fact that negative 12 is negative doesn't matter. You notice that the direction of the inequality symbol did not flip. We divided both sides by 4. 4 is a positive number, so the inequality symbol did not change direction. Let's do another example just to make sure. So negative 5x minus 2 less than 28. We add 2 to both sides, we'll have negative 5x is less than 30. Now we need to divide both sides by negative 5, so we flip the direction of the inequality symbol. We have x is greater than negative 6. So here's a picture, right? So an unfilled point at negative 6, shade all the way to the right because we're talking about x greater than negative 6. And here's an interval notation, parenthesis, negative 6 comma infinity parenthesis. We're done with the problem, but the comment here is to say that the fact that 30 is positive doesn't matter. Sure, 30 is positive, but that's not the point. The point is that we divided both sides by negative 5. By dividing by a negative number on both sides, the inequality symbol had to change direction.